Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now. There's nothing like a comforting plate of Goan Potato Patal Bhaji served with puris or paun, a classic breakfast that's mildly spiced and full of delicious flavors. Hi, I'm Laddie, and today we'll be sharing with you a detailed step-by-step recipe for a restaurant-style Goan Potato Patal Bhaji. This simple yet flavorful dish is made with soft-cooked potatoes in a mildly spiced, slightly thickened gravy, giving it that signature taste and texture. Whether you're reliving childhood memories or trying this dish for the first time, this recipe will help you recreate the authentic Goan breakfast experience at home. So let's get cooking now and prepare this delicious Goan Potato Patal Bhaji. Step 1. Boiling the potatoes. We have taken 4 medium-sized potatoes weighing around 500 grams. Keep a pan on medium heat and add the potatoes without removing their skin. Add sufficient water so that the potatoes are completely immersed in water. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Cover the pan partially and cook for around 30 minutes. After around 25 minutes, check if the potatoes are cooked by inserting a fork. If it is still hard while piercing the potato, then cook it for some more time. Once the potatoes are cooked, put the heat off and set it aside to cool slightly. Boiled potatoes are ready. Step 2. Preparing the ingredients. Take 2 medium-sized onions. Cut them very fine. Half-inch piece of ginger. Cut it very fine. 12 medium-sized cloves of garlic. Cut them very fine. 2 to 3 green chilies depending on your taste preference. Cut them very fine. Take around 20 to 25 curry leaves or curry patta. Quarter cup of finely cut coriander or cilantro leaves for garnishing. Take 3/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds. 3/4 teaspoon of cumin or jeera seeds. Half teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. 2 pinches of asafoetida or hing powder. 1 teaspoon of salt. Take the boiled potatoes and peel their skin. Cut the boiled potatoes into small cubes like I have shown.
Help us spread the love for Goan cuisine. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos, and please share them with your friends and family so that they can also benefit from our recipes. Do comment with your feedback and suggestions to help us make our videos even more better for you.
Boiled potatoes are ready for preparing the bhaji. Step 3. Preparing the potato patal bhaji. On medium heat, in a wide open thick bottom pan, add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the mustard seeds and stir. When the mustard seeds start spluttering, add the cumin or jeera seeds and stir. Once the jeera seeds start spluttering, add the asafoetida or hing powder and stir. After some time, add the finely cut onions. Add the curry leaves or curry patta. Stir everything nicely. Stir frequently to prevent burning or sticking to the bottom of the pan. Once the onions turn translucent, make space in the center of the pan. Add the finely cut garlic and stir. After some time, add the finely cut ginger and stir. Saute until they lose their raw fragrance. Add the cut green chilies and stir. Add the turmeric or haldi powder and stir. Stir frequently to prevent burning. Now add the boiled potatoes. Stir everything properly. Watch till the end for exclusive tips that guarantee a restaurant-style finish, flavorful, perfectly balanced and just the right consistency. Add 1 cup or 250 ml of water. Mix everything nicely. Try to mash some of the potato pieces to create a nice thick texture in the gravy. Cook for around 5 minutes. Do let us know in the comments if potato patal bhaji is your favorite Goan breakfast, or is there anything else that you prefer? Add half cup or 125 ml of water.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything properly. After some time, check for salt and add if required. Garnish with finely cut coriander or cilantro leaves. We added 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything nicely. Once done, put the heat off. Serve the potato patal bhaji hot with puris, pav or roti. Hope you enjoy this restaurant-style Goan Potato Patal Bhaji. Do share it with your friends and family members on WhatsApp and Facebook. God bless. Delicious potato patal bhaji is ready.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.